This will be just a quick meeting. All right. So let's start with the consultation first. So just like what I've mentioned in our previous meetings that, our future meetings will be like a consultation meeting. So let me ask you guys from week 1 to week 4, anyone who has a question or clarification so far? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you're doing good with this subject. So it's like half of you responded, but the others are maybe not around. Or what about the others? Do you guys have a question so far? One questions or clarifications? Alright, so I guess none. Maybe they're just somewhere doing something. All right, so here is my first reminder. It's already open. So your midterm exam will be on this coming February 18. So you guys still have 14 days. Well, still have one meeting left to the exam. Okay, you still have one meeting left before your midterm exam, but we will not meet anymore on this coming February 11th, since I will give this one as your free time, okay, as your free day to review or to finish all the given activities by by me or by your other instructors. So yeah, we will just meet again on February 25. Okay, once you're done with your midterm exam. And the coverage of your midterm exam will be again, I think I have already mentioned this one last meeting, but yeah, again, the coverage is from week 1 to week 4 only, or these two modules only. Okay, so are we clear with that one, with the coverage of your exam on this coming Feb 18?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. All right, so next thing is just a reminder, since most of you are not yet done with their lab 8 and 9. So the due date of this 8th and 9th lab will be today, February 4th. So make sure to finish this laboratory before the day's end, or before February 4, or before February 5 rather. Next thing will be the week 5, or the week 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one is the module 3. So I already published this one. So it is now already published. So you can now check this one. You can now start doing all the given activities. So we have a total of 5 laboratories, okay, additional 5 laboratories, and then one case study. So you guys have a total of 6 activities, okay. And their due dates will be on March 4. So we could say that you have almost a month, or let's see, 28 days, okay, from now to finish those activities. Okay. Since February doesn't have 29 and then 30. So let's just say 28 days. Okay. Almost a month for you guys to finish those given laboratories. Okay. So just check them out later on. Let's go with the overview of this module 3 real quick. So you will see here the topic of learning outcomes. So yeah, just check them out later on. And then here are the topics that will be discussed on this module. So we have quite a lot of topics that will be discussed after this module. But there's only one PDF or presentation. And then we have quite a lot of external YouTube tutorials or YouTube links that discusses each of those topics. Okay, just in case that the previous video is not enough, like you need more information, then yes, you can visit this YouTube links right here. And if you're the kind of person who loves, who loves to read some PDFs, some articles, then this one is made for you. Okay, just check these PDFs right here. So most of them are quite related with the topic, though this one is already, quite maybe advanced, and then the way they explain things is maybe quite different, since of course they have their own ways, they have their own techniques in explaining things. But yeah, just check this one out later on, just in case that you might need more information regarding with that topic. Okay, so I hope we're clear with that one. And here's the module. And regarding with the pre-made video, there is two part. Okay, there are two parts for this one. So we have part one and part two. Part one is the first day when we have discussed this module three. So yes, we wasn't able to finish this one in just a one day. So part one is the day one, and I think we were able to finish half of the topics. And this one is a 51 minute video. So just check this one out later on, since one will discuss half of the module 3. And then for the part 2 is of course the continuation of the module 3. So this is also a 50-minute video, or let's say 56-minute video, which discusses the entire module 3, or the continuation of the module 3. So yeah, just in case that you have the question or clarification so far, with once you have watched this video, if there are some unclear uh discussion, or the way that I explain things in that particular topic, so just let me know, okay? And I will provide, or I will give you more example maybe, or more information regarding with that particular topic. All right. So I hope we're clear with this two pre-made video of module. So any questions so far?
Answer.
Answer.
Right, that's good then. So I really hope that, because we're able to follow everything and you're doing good with the laboratories. Anyway, again, we have some practice exercises right here, but this one is more on like objectives, multiple choice. So yeah, this one is just to enhance your knowledge, or just to practice what you have learned from this linear applications of pop-ups. Okay. And here you will see here now the five laboratories, additional five laboratories from 10 to 14th lab. So just check them out later on. Okay, so I think the instruction is quite clear. So I just really hope that you will be able to follow everything in this laboratory. Then you guys already know what to do with this case study. So just read the fact, and then just answer the question, and then just share your own opinion, or your what you can say with that specific question. Then yeah, as long as you were able to convince me that your answer is correct, okay, then yeah, you'll get a high score for sure. And yeah, that's it for now. And we'll see if I will add more. Okay, add more laboratories or activities on this coming February 25. Again, we will not meet on this coming Feb 11, but our next meeting will be after your midterm exam, so that would be on February 25. Okay, so just in case that you have questions, so just message me here on Canvas, or just message me on my Facebook account. Okay, so yeah, that's all that I need to say for this meeting. And yeah, so meeting adjourned. So as usual, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. Especially that, we have quite a lot of participants today. So we have a total of 19, including me is 20. So I'm really, really happy that you guys, are attending my classes. So I really, really appreciate that. I'm really, really thankful that, most of you are still attending my Zoom meetings, even though we don't actually have lectures, since the discussion is already anyway. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then you guys may now go, and thank you guys, and then see you on Feb 25, and then yeah, keep safe and a blessed day to all of
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Chalja.
sir.
you.
Bye,
Goodbye.
sir.
Bye,
Goodbye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too, and goodbye. Goodbye.